Hi, today I want to show you something interesting in my fiber Ethernet and phone line toolbox. Yes. So you think it's my toolbox for optical fiber, internet and phone lines. Yes. And let's start looking what we have in. Yes, I have connector for internet cables. Yes, I have connectors for phone cables. I have phone box on wall box. Yes, how you see screwdrivers. Yes. Okay, this is in this side. Look what I have inside. Okay. Oh, what I have? It's connectors, wire connectors. Yes, this wire is damaging. And what is this? Oh, I have fiber lock. Yes, it's fiber lock. Yes, it's if we can weld in some place, we put this fiber lock in there. Yes. Okay. What and look, continue. What I have inside. Yes, it's a portable. So you see, I have two for the internet and phone lines. It's for drilling machine. It's drill, some keys, hammers. Yes, screws. Okay. What I have else? I have some Telecom pigtail. Yes, how you see. Vertical breakout for ports. Yes, how you see. And pipeline for. Yes, and this is my development. It's a portable cable. Yes, how you see. I can put it on the door. Start using. See? It's I can start use. Yes, I have drilling machine, and I don't have today a welding machine here inside. We put enough space in my box. Yes, and you see, I can put drill machine, and it's very strong. Yes, I can break it over. Yes, and it's yes. And thanks for watching, and remove it very fast.